Imagine this. You walk up to a building, run your hand along the wall, and realize this wall is alive. Not alive like a sci-fi monster, but alive with the power to clean our air. I'm talking about a real breakthrough that sounds like it's straight out of a futuristic movie. Swiss researchers have created a living building material that literally sucks carbon dioxide out of the atmosphere. How? With blue-green algae, also known as cyanobacteria. These tiny powerhouses are basically nature's original inventors of photosynthesis. They take in CO2 and turn it into oxygen and sugars just like plants do. But here's where it gets wild under the right conditions. These algae can turn CO2 into solid minerals, like limestone. They're locking up carbon and making the wall even stronger at the same time. The backbone of this material is a hydrogel. Think of it as a squishy, water-rich jello that's 3D printable. Scientists have engineered it to be super porous, so that light, water, and CO2 can get inside. That keeps the algae happy and active, constantly gobbling up carbon from the air around us. Now, the magic happens in two ways. First, as the algae grow, they trap CO2 inside their own biomass. Second, they help form carbonate minerals, which permanently store carbon and reinforce the material itself. Over a 400-day study, a single gram of this stuff locked away about 26 milligrams of CO2 in solid form. And even when the algae slow down after a month, the walls keep pulling in carbon, thanks to ongoing mineral formation. It's like a self-renewing air filter built into the structure of your home. Researchers showcased this material at an architecture exhibition in Venice, shaping it to look like tree trunks. Here's the kicker. A wall coated with this material can absorb as much CO2 each year as a 20-year-old pine tree, about 18 kilograms or 40 pounds. That's a serious dent in the fight against climate change, especially when you consider covering entire cities with it. And the story doesn't end there. Scientists are already working on genetically engineering these cyanobacteria to photosynthesize even faster. They're also developing better nutrient delivery systems, so these living walls can thrive for years. So next time you see a boring gray wall, imagine what it could be. Not just part of a building, but part of the solution. Living walls, cleaning our air one brick at a time.